How to create an account in Yahoo Mail. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create Yahoo Mail account. So let's get started. First, just head over to your any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Yahoo Mail. And once you search in for Yahoo Mail, just head over to the first link, and once you're inside here, you can see there is an option to create an account. Simply tap on this. So now you just have to provide your full name over here just like this. So I'll simply provide all of my one over here, and it will give you the choice to choose any one of these registered or valid yahoo.com mail, and just provide your password as well as date of birth. So let me quickly fill that up. Always make sure that your password is strong enough. Enter your date of birth just like this, and once you do all of that, just click on agree to terms and condition and click on next. And you need to provide your WhatsApp phone number over here or your registered phone number. So once you enter your code by opening WhatsApp, you shall be successfully able to register your account, your new Yahoo email account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.